What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, and I definitely got a bit of a different video for you today because Razer just put out their own gaming gum. Yeah, so if you remember last year when they put out their gaming drink, which was called Respawn, now it's the same sort of lineup but in a gum form with a collaboration with Five. I'm sure you're familiar with Five Gum, so I'm definitely interested to see what this is all about. We'll do like a taste test, go over the different flavors. I assume there's a variety in here, and we'll talk about if it's a good, alternative to like gaming drinks like G Fuel or energy drinks and stuff like that. Because this is definitely, not my territory when it comes to reviews. So like I said, a little first look and a taste test. So we got a little thing here. I'm not gonna bother reading that. Don't cover up my onyx. All right, we got Cool Mint right off the bat, pomegranate watermelon, and tropical punch. So I'm not much of a gum guy, I don't really chew gum. But I think I would be, if I had to kind of categorize what I would prefer, probably more towards the minty side, not so much the fruitiness, but it doesn't matter. We'll check them all out either way. Also interested to see what kind of ingredients we have here. So I'm just taking a look at the Respawn and 5-pack right now. This is the mental focus and reaction time. I think they all say that, right? Yeah. So they're all for mental focus and reaction time. When you're gaming, you just really want to get focused in and dialed in. So vitamins B5, B6, B12, niacin, green tea extract. Okay, so I don't believe there's any form of actual like caffeine or anything. And I assume, with the green tea extract, that's gonna be where your energy is coming from with the green tea. So okay, so no actual caffeine. Interesting. Let's open this up. Nice vibrant colors as well. So we got the bright teal for the Cool Mint, bright red for the pomegranate watermelon, and a bright yellow for tropical punch. So okay, let's hop into this. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 5, 10, 15 pieces of gum per pack. And I saw they were selling them in packs of 10 for $28. So you're getting 10 packs of these, figures out to what, like $2.80 a pack, so not too bad. And a bit of a shocker here, it's like a black kind of gum. I know it has like the powder on it, but it's like a dark. Okay. We'll give it a minute. I'm sure you guys are loving me chewing and the sounds. Cool mint. Yeah, minty. Cool. Cool mint. I'm gonna cut a lot of this out. Need to give a good amount of time to chew. Okay, so definitely minty. It's not like overbearing. Like, when you use like mouthwash and stuff, it has like that tingling kind of mint. Nothing like that here. Pretty subdued overall, but it tastes fine. Tastes like, yeah, Cool Mint. All right, so actually, let me cleanse the palate first. I can get the mintiness out of my mouth, because if I'm trying out different flavors, the last thing I want is that mint hanging over, Okay, pomegranate watermelon. So just first impression here, I do kind of wish, if this is a piece of black gum, it was as bright or the same color as the packaging. It just would have been more satisfying, to have the color coordinated gum. But yeah, something about putting like a dark licorice flavored piece of gum into your mouth. I don't know, I would have rathered a brighter piece of gum. Stupid preference thing. All right, pomegranate watermelon. Whoa. Immediately. Very good.
Stimulate your senses.
Whoa. This brings me back to something in my childhood. What does this taste like? There was definitely a gum as a kid that tastes just like this. I cannot remember the name. This is what's up. All right. Pomegranate watermelon. Stealing the show right now. Like I said in the beginning, I'm more of a Cool Mint kind of guy. If I were to have gum, I prefer that mintiness, but this tastes 10 times better. All right, now to tropical punch. So I've done absolutely zero reading up about this stuff. I just saw like the announcement and the price. So I don't know how long they want you to chew it for before you start feeling, the mental focus and increased reaction time. A lot of that's just marketing terms, you know. But yeah, all right, tropical punch. Well, okay. Also, very good. Pina colada. Pina colada gum. Where's the actual wrapper? Hold on. Okay. So, natural and artificial flavors, because these do taste very sweet and like on point to the actual name. So I wonder what type of natural and artificial flavors go into this. This is very fruity. Oh, but okay, so these are all sugar-free, by the way. That's pretty important because I know people who chew a lot of gum, you are getting that actual sugar in there. And it says, yeah, 35% fewer calories than sugared gum. And I didn't even see that, but yeah, it does say on the bottom, 15 pieces of sugar-free gum. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna chill for a bit, and then we'll come back, and I'll let you know if I feel any different or more mentally focused.
How it feels to chew 5 gum. Stimulate your senses. 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 Stimulate your senses.
All right, so it's been about a half hour. Just played around in Battlefield real quick, and I don't feel really that different. I'm definitely a big caffeine guy. I drink like a minimum 2 cups of coffee every morning to get me going. So the fact that there's not extra caffeine in here getting me jittery and stuff is good. So the green tea extract, you know, I probably would have had to have consistently been chewing a piece and not just like a quick 2-minute, you know, taste test of each one to really start to feel any different. But I will say this, and I'm not, you know, obviously 100% sure the market or demographic for this, because I know it's like, say you're streaming, for example. You're not gonna wanna be chewing a piece of gum while you're streaming, because chewing gum kind of makes it harder to like talk, you know? Like you don't want us to be chewing constantly to your audience on camera in a mic, having that just that chewing sound over and over and over while you're streaming to them. So I don't think this is really for that crowd of people who would just be, you know, that'd be a lot, okay, can't talk. It'd be a lot easier for them to just, you know, take a swig of a drink and then, you know, keep going. So maybe this is just for yourself, a little pick-me-up to keep you focused while you're gaming on your own. I don't really know, but I will say, in terms of flavor, this is the complete opposite of what I was expecting. I said in the beginning, I'm more of like a minty, fresh kind of guy. So I thought cool mint would have been my style 100%, but it's actually the complete opposite. I think, well, hands down, number 1 is pomegranate watermelon. This tastes amazing. Absolutely amazing. Love this. So that's number 1. And I think I'd even still go tropical punch number 2, because it has that real nice pineapple pina colada type taste to it. And then 3, the cool mint. It was definitely minty, but it wasn't too much. It wasn't overbearingly minty, which in this case might be the drawback. So I gotta give hands down the winner to pomegranate watermelon. I am loving this. Tastes super familiar. Can't remember what this tastes like from my childhood, but man, it is good. Like I said, sugar-free gum, vitamin B6, 12, niacin, green tea extract, sugar-free, 15 per pack. You get 10 packs for $28, $2.80 per pack. Razer Respawn Gum with their collaboration with 5. Hope you enjoyed this little taste test, first look at Razer's gum. Not tech, I know, but you're here anyways. And if you're still watching, thank you for going on this wild ride of a gum taste test. 2020, man, you never know what you're gonna get. All right, so that'll wrap it up. I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.
Stimulate your senses.